Alrighty, here is the mess at hand for this Saturday, trying to get this driveway based in. This is after I've cleaned it up. The plans call for this lane to be 13 foot wide, which it is now. Had to dig hillsides out of both sides of dirt. Of course, this is all new construction, so there wasn't really anything here but what the builder brought in, just enough to get the trucks in. So I dug all this hillside out. Landscapers are coming in behind us. We're going to get the rock in. Landscapers are going to base it in from there, or do their work, I mean, and then we will come in and pave it. But nice little turnaround over here for 2-car parking. And I dug out all this dirt over here for this side over here, trying to make the water slope away as best I can. I don't understand why anybody want to live in one of these neighborhoods. This dude over here told me he didn't like where the parking area was because he doesn't like to look at parked cars. But I'll bring you back once I get some of the rock going down. I already put down 40 tons just to get it halfway flat to run the paver on. It's supposed to have a curve going up through there. You'll see it better once the rock goes down. I'll bring you back here shortly. Alrighty, now we're getting it where we want it to be at. As you can see, makes a little bit more sense now. Having to use crushed concrete because holiday weekend, that's the only thing open. And it's normally not that big of a deal, except for we're supposed to have a bunch of rain coming in, and that's why I had the 2 loads of 53s here this morning waiting for me. 53s is, I don't know, road pack, crusher run, whatever you guys call it in your part of the world. 53s is limestone, like 3/4 inch to inch limestone with fines in it. So starting to make sense. I got 40 more tons of crushed concrete coming, and we ought to be good from there. I'll bring you back whenever I get to that point. We're just getting the pads ready on that side piece there, so we'll be all set when the trucks get here. You guys have a good one. This is the biggest part of this job, is waiting, because they have an hour to go get the crushed concrete and an hour to come back. But the water's starting to come out of this, starting to dry up. I think it'll do nicely. I'm going to add some more rock down that edge. Since we rolled it, it sunk a little bit further than what I wanted it. I'm going to add a little bit more rock on this edge here, and then do the lane. I think I hear a truck, but it's not our truck. It doesn't sound like. I take that back. I hear a Kubota down the way that's clearing brush with a big chipper and head on it. So talk to you guys in a few. Alrighty, just got all the rock laid down up here. We're not doing out here the sidewalk, and the approach is concrete. Got a little bit of handwork to finish up here. He's got some rolling to do, and now you can see what we're talking about here, how it turned out. We'll take a little walk through. He's still rolling, but the lane's 13 foot wide all the way back to the big square. It's got a 20 by 20 parking pad over here to the right side, and they got a shit ton of landscaping to have to do. Here it is. You can kind of see where it's going to be at now. Now it's time for them to bring their landscaping crew in and go from there. It's an odd shape back here in the back, but it's how they had it done. There's the turnabout and then the lane going up. It's kind of a straight shot, but they wanted to make at least a little faux curve in it, so it's kind of funky how it laid out, but that's how they wanted it. Homeowner designed it. You guys have a good one.